So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never good just had regrets. So I won't go back. Oh, but I got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. Moonshine back again.
Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to another episode. Yeah, we're going down to Yugarup this weekend. We're going to hopefully catch some salmon. And yeah, we'll show you what it's all about, guys. And we're just waiting here. A couple of friends are coming down with us. So we're just waiting at the fuel station here. Catch up with the mates and we'll all go down in a convoy and we'll show you what it's all about.
Good luck.
Yeah. Could be the way as well. Brimming it. Alright guys, we're at Yugarup. We've been here all day. Seen a couple of schools, but they've been out very deep. There's actually a school hanging off the back of these waves at the moment. I actually have the kayak on the roof and I might try and get out past this swell and give it a crack. So yeah, I've never seen it this calm down here. So yeah, as I said, there's a big school just hanging off the back of these waves. I'll try and get the kayak out there and catch myself some salmon. So I'm going to get wet and it's going to be dodgy, but we're going to do it. Okay guys, massive welcome back. We weren't getting any salmon at all. I've just made it past the breakers and stuff like that. Yeah, there's a massive school of salmon right here. The fins are out the water, the whole lot. We're not catching nothing on the beach. So we'll get the other camera out and we'll film this. This is sick. So I don't know if anyone else has been out here in a kayak, because it's pretty sketchy. There is big sharks around, but whew, paddled my little heart out. So put my hat on. Alright guys, this is Yugarup. So we haven't caught nothing all day. So I decided smash it out past the breakers. It's a pretty good day. And there's a big school of salmon right here. So I decided, yeah, to paddle out and risk it for the biscuit. So everyone's in there, they've caught nothing all day. There's a big school just here. So we'll chuck this bad boy on and get into some fishing, hopefully. Should be sick. So excuse all the cameras on the head and stuff like that, because if I fall in the drink I want to capture that too. So yeah, and we got this rod off of Whitey's Tackle and Camping to test out on the salmon. It's a Therese rod and a Saragossa 5000, so should be a little weapon. So yeah, watch this. I can't believe I'm out here actually. They're just in front of me. I think that'll be alright there. Should be alright. Alright, watch this. Right over the back of them. 2 seconds, any minute now. Right. Oh, one had to go. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, they're not keen. I got up. Yep, I'm on. Yep, we're on, boys. Yee-hoo! I just got to watch because, Jesus, the swells are really close and I don't want to get knocked off. Because there'll be sharks actually following these salmon. So, yeah, I wouldn't like to be swimming in the water at this present time. But we are on. As I said, I've got to watch the swell because they're right on where the waves crash. And, yeah, it's sketch. Oh, I did a big jump. Gotta watch the swell lines. Everyone's cheering in the shore there for me. I think I'm gonna get smashed by a wave though. So, yeah, should be right. I might have to tow this guy out a bit deeper because, yeah, getting a bit. I think he might have lost him then. Oh no, still got him. Just got to go out a bit deeper because, yeah, the swell's coming in. There's a few big waves. Bit sketch. But we're still on, so it's all good. Dragging me straight back into where the waves are breaking. I'm scared, man. Just got to keep checking on the swell. Jeez. Good fight. They're all just in front of me actually, with all their fins out the water and stuff like that. He's doing circles around me kayak. Oh, this is awesome, man. I've never been down here when you could get a kayak out or anything like that. Like, it's always been, the waves have been so big. Like, I actually brought the kayaks down because I thought if it was bad down here, me and the boy will go, geez, go redfin fishing with the kayaks, you know, and come down. I was like, yeah, let's do it. Oh, jeez. Come on, big fella. Oh, here he is. Woo! Oh, that's a lot of work. Woo! Just getting towed around, boys. Oh. Ah. He's got me good. It's a good fight. Real good. Oh, jeez. I'm sweating, carrying on. I'm scared, absolutely petrified. Wait for a big shark to come up and smash this, actually. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Woo. It's a good fight. Oh, God. Looks like I've been dragged out a bit deeper now, so we should be good. Woo. Should be good for the waves. Hopefully. Ah, come back. Woo. Good size. All right, guys. Oh, there we go. Good salmon there. Happy days. So, yeah. Oh, jeez. All right, mate. Jeez. So, yeah. Happy as. Woo. Killer. It's a bit of exercise, guys, I tell you. All right. Cut. I'm gonna have to bleed him, unfortunately. Whew. All right, guys. We just changed cameras over. I was using my old one because I thought I was going to get wiped out by the waves, and I probably will on the way in. So had to change the cameras out just then. I've got a tangle at the moment. They're right in front of me still, so I'm going to go for another smash, see if we can get a couple more. So we'll just paddle over a little. Should be good. I never ever thought in my wildest dreams I'd ever kayak out here. As I said, I've been coming here for years and years. This is the calmest I have ever seen it. And as I said, we've been trying all day to get a salmon and nothing. So there's a massive school right here, and I'm the only one out with the kayak, and we're gonna hook up in like 2 seconds, sure of it. The tails are coming out the water, so this is gonna be mad. Right here, should be able to cast. I might put that in there because I nearly lost it last time. So where did they go? Oh, that wasn't cool. Where did they go? Oh, behind me. Alright, we should spin around. Spin, spin, spin. Oh, that was right next to him. Right next to him. A bit too far away, I think. Nearly, they spooked a bit, but they're right in front of me now. Got a clearer vision, so should be a good thing. That should be it, I think. Whoa, straight away! Oh, he dropped off. We're gonna flick it a bit, muck around with it. Hopefully another one comes. Nah, straight away when it dropped in front of him, they must have smashed it and he got off. That's alright, they're still there. This is crazy. So scared. So scared. She be that. Alright, let's try that again. What's going on with this thing? Here we go. Oh, got a bit sunburnt today as well. Nah, you don't hit the school, they're not interested, so might have to go a bit closer, but I'm pretty scared because these waves come out of nowhere and yeah. But I do know how to swim, which is a good thing. Alright, go over that way a bit, see what happens there. No, just missed the pack. I'm gonna have to go in closer. I'm scared, but I'm gonna have to just do it. I really hope I don't sink and lose my rod and everything, so a bit worried. Wow. A lot worried. But that's what it's all about. Is the salmon. I think actually it's pushing me out deeper. The swell hitting the bank while hitting the shore, and it's pushing me out deeper. So yeah, I think I want to be about here. They're right in front of me now. So if I can get them just on the other side, I should be good. And I just got tangled. Exactly where you don't want to get tangled. There we go. Alright guys, let's see what we can do. That's straight over the back of him. Alright, we're going to go through the school right now, I think. Now? Yep. Oh. 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 They're really not too keen, really. Oh, what's going on here? No, they're right there. Give it another go. Getting excited, guys. Excited and scared. That's what it is. Excitement and scared. That's weird. Really not keen. That'd be rad. Maybe a big shark's around or something. Oh man, arms are really sore. Whew. Come on, people. Come on, we're gonna do it. Gotta do it. Oh shoot. Fraggle rock. Where are you? Scared. Really scared. I don't know what's going on, peoples. Yeah. Whew. I'm sore, I know that much. Can't really see him anymore. I think they're still here. No, not interested now. We had a couple of hits and done. Weird. Alright guys, I think, I don't know, I don't have it polarised on. Whoa, waves are picking up here. Sketchy. Just have to watch for myself. Bit of swell here. I think they're just here. I think. We'll see. Not really interested. No. Yep, we're on, guys. Here we go. We just gotta watch the waves. Woo! Oh, we're still on. Surely. Yeah, we're still on. Yeah. Oh, we're off. Ah, we might be off. We're off. Ah, spewing. Oh well. We were on. We're on. Yep. We're on again. Just gotta watch these waves. We're on, please. Oh man, you grew up, eh? In a kayak, Jesus. This is man, so good. No one's catching nothing on the beach. There's heaps of people. I'm at the back, chilling. Oh Jesus! So watch this swell. Alrighty. Oh, bit of swell there. Trying to drag me back in to the swell line. Got to get out. Here comes a woo! Here comes a big swell. Oh shit, there's. Oh shivers! Here we go! Woo! I've just lost me rod. Alright guys, just lost me rod, my expensive rod. My eyes are burning because I've got sunscreen on. Hopefully, I can see it. So I'll go get it. Where did it go? Whew. How crazy is that? There's a, what was it, $800 something rod? Unreal combo. I do that to pull the plugs out. Pull the plugs. Hopefully they'll drain out a bit. Whew. Might have to chuck that in the front. This is epic. I hope I find the rod. Chuck that in there. Let's go have a look at this school. I reckon it might be floating around this school. Yeah, so there goes my brand new T-Res rod, and there it goes to 5,000. Should be that. Should be good. There's another way. Now, skewered. She got out of there quicker. Just saying. Where is it? It'll be hanging here somewhere. Hope I can find my rod reel. Knew I should have brought my crap rod out. Jesus. Oh well. $800 rod. Unreal. Come back to me. Come back to me. It's gonna be sketch getting in. Real sketch. Just saying. Can't see anything. Pretty much stuffed, I think. Getting bigger, boys. Just saying. Alright. Lost me rod. I think it's time to head in. This salmon's worth $800. So I'm going to tie him up because I know I'm going to cop it when I get back into the shore. I'm going to get absolutely destroyed. Make sure this one stays with us. Yeah. Oh. There we are. It's getting dark now, I can't see anything. It's not cool. I think that rod's stuffed anyway. It would have been full of, the reel would have been full of salt by now. Devo, man, I've only had that rod a couple of months. Anyway, give me a wrap. I'll have to get another one. I don't think, yeah, Whitey's tackle is camping, they supply me these rods and reels. they think I do this kind of silly stuff. Yeah, I've done a couple of silly things. Yeah, the other rod I mucked around and broke that one, and then this one I've just got a rod. Yeah, there should be out here. Good fun. So anyway, slowly head back in. That's the rod gone and rest. Alright guys, we're just leaving Ugarup now. Big storms come through overnight. Everyone's leaving, so yeah, it's pretty hectic at the moment. There'll be a massive pile of cars up here trying to get up this hill and chop it out, so it's going to be interesting. But yeah, we're going to head to Pemmican and yeah, go get some redfin, stuff like that. So yeah, happy days. You can see cars right up the hill, so everyone's getting out of here. So yeah, it's pretty bad.
It's like the city.
Yeah, cars right up that hill there. Anyway, it'll take us a while to get out of here, I think.
So I won't hold back, and you should know